Hey there! Thank you for tuning in to part 3 of the 4-part series on optimizing engagement in online education. In part 3, we will analyze constructivism and its role in building online learning communities that support engagement. The constructivist theory is a learning theory that is learner-focused. The learner actively participates in their learning process through discovery, while the instructor serves as the facilitator of the learning process. Let's take a look at the works of a couple constructivist theorists to further analyze the role constructivism plays in building a learning community. The theory of social development was introduced by 20th century Russian philosopher Lev Vygotsky. He believed that learning is social. He shared that social interaction plays a fundamental role in the development of cognition. Vygotsky says, every function in the child's cultural development appears twice, first on the social level and later on the individual level. First, between people, which is inter-psychological, and then inside the child, which is intra-psychological. This means that social interaction is the starting point of building knowledge. This is why it's so important to build a learning community in the online setting. The learning is built upon the relationship that has already been established. John Dewey was a major advocate of experiential learning in the first half of the 20th century. As an American philosopher, psychologist, and educator, he believed that experiences are unique to each learner. He believed that experiential learning, or learning by doing, is based on 3 assumptions. 1, people learn best when they are personally involved in the learning process. 2, knowledge has to be discovered by the individual if it is to have any significant meaning to them or to make a difference in their behavior. And 3, a person's commitment to learning is highest when they are free to set their own learning object. From John Dewey's teachings, we are reminded that a community is necessary to enhance the learning experience because the learner must be involved in order to make the learning meaningful. 89% of students and 79% of instructors stated that building community in online courses is more challenging than building community in face-to-face courses, according to a study done by Veasley, Bloom, and Sherlock. But despite these challenges, building a strong online community is vital in the constructivist learning environment.